Could you explain the difference between a bit and a byte?
Absolutely. A bit is the most basic unit of data in computing and digital communications. It can have a value of either 0 or 1. A byte, on the other hand, is a group of 8 bits and is the standard unit used to measure data size.
So, a byte can represent more than just a 0 or 1.
Yes, exactly. With 1 byte, or 8 bits, you can represent 256 different values, ranging from 000000000 to 1111111 in binary.
Interesting. Can you give me an example of how this is used in programming?
Sure, in programming languages like C or Java, when you declare a variable of type char, you're allocating 1 byte of memory. Here's a simple code example in C.
I see. So each character takes up 1 byte of space. What about operations at the bit level?
Well, we can perform bitwise operations on bytes, which manipulate individual bits. For example, bitwise AND or XOR and NOT. Here's a quick example in Python. This would show the result of the operation on each bit within the byte.
Got it. So when we talk about internet speeds, like 100 megabits per second, are we talking about bits or bytes?
That's in bits. Network speeds are measured in bits per second, not bytes. So when you see MBPs, it stands for megabits per second.
Makes sense. So a 100 megabits per second connection would be how many megabytes per second?
Since 1 byte equals 8 bits, you divide by 8. That gives you 12.5 megabytes per second, theoretically.
Thank you, this was quite informative.
My pleasure. It's always good to have a clear understanding of these fundamental concepts.